Hi lovelies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you smudged liner makeup tutorial. So first we are going to moisturize our skin with any moisturizer. Then I am also going to moisturize my lips with the help of this cocoa Vaseline. For smooth texture of foundation I am also going to use a primer. Then in foundation I am going to use the foundation of Bonanza. It's quite hydrated and pigmented. First I am going to spread it all over my face with the help of dots, and later on I am going to spread this base evenly with the help of dabbing. Then I am going to use apricot concealer in order to cover my dark circle, and it is also used to cover your pimple marks. First I am going to roughly spread it with the help of brush. Then later on I am going to spread it evenly with the help of my fingers, because with finger you can evenly spread it to the corners, which is impossible to cover with brush. Then from this brown palette I will pick the medium brown shade for contouring, and I will contour my cheeks in order to give a more sculptured look. And I will also contour my nose a little bit. Then I will apply a little bit of loose powder under my eyes. Then I will fill my eyebrows by adding some strokes, and later on I am going to spread them evenly with the help of spoolie, which is on other end of this pencil. Now to create a smudged liner look, I am going to make a liner with the help of this grey pencil. It is also from Top Face Bonanza. I will make a medium sized line. It should not be very thin or thick, it should be of medium size. And then I am also going to apply this on my other eye. Then I am going to put this grey color in my waterline as well. I will do the same process on other eye as well. Then I will also apply it on my upper waterline. Then I will make it little bit thicker from my bottom corners, and I will do same to my other eye as well. Then I am going to blend it with the help of this brush. After smudging my eyeliner, I am going to take this brown shade from eyeshadow palette as a transition color, and I will apply it to my crease with the help of this fluffy brush. Now I am going to run the empty fluffy brush over my color to blend it well. Later on I am going to use this shimmery beige color and put it in the center of my eyelid. Then I am going to again blend the black color along with my eye shade, like we have to properly smudge it with the other eyeshadow. Then I will apply musarat misbah's mascara. I am applying it on my upper eyelashes and lower eyelashes as well. It's totally up to you. If you don't want to apply it on your lower eyelashes, you can stick it to your upper eyelashes only. Now for blush on, I am taking Musarat Misbah apricot satin, and I will apply it on my cheekbone. Now I will apply some shimmery gold color in the center of my eyelids. Now for highlighter, I will use my LMX kit. I will use this white shade as a highlighter. I will put it at the top of my cheekbone and at the tip of my nose to highlight these points. I am applying my highlighter with the help of my fingers, so later on I am going to blend this out with the help of my fingers as well. Then I will choose a nude brown shade. It's a kind of orange and brown shade, so I am first applying this pencil. Later on I am going to top it with my brown shade gloss. Here is the final look of smudged liner makeup look. Hope you have enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I will see you in my next video. Take care and please consider subscription if you find this helpful. Bye.